Nike is preparing to launch the Air Max DN Roam, a rugged evolution of its Air Max DN line, expected holiday 2025 for $190. The model follows the Roam concept introduced in 2024 with the Vomero 5 Roam but reworks the Air Max silhouette in a completely new way. Designed for durability and winter conditions, it features a sock-like interior similar to the Huarache, a protective zippered shroud made from varied synthetic materials, and ripstop elements above the midsole. DPU accents remain on the midfoot and heel but lack the carbon fiber-like interiors of the original version. Nike also improves performance with Storm Tread traction for reliable grip. 3 colorways will debut: College Gray and Cannon, Black and Cargo Khaki and Black and Metallic Silver. With these enhancements, Nike ensures the Air Max DN Roam is both functional and stylish for the cold weather season.